Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Tuesday, the 23rd of April. The euro remains range-bound against the US dollar, currently moving below 130.44. The single currency has stabilised after Italian-elected new President Giorgio Napolitano expected to continue efforts to create a viable government in the country. It appears that for the moment, the market views the single currency as balanced, albeit with no growth potential. Taking this in mind, many believe that a possible rate cut by the ECB is imminent, a move that would push the pair further downward. The US dollar barely missed the 100 mark versus the Japanese yen for a second time. The Bank of Japan has vowed to double its money supply over the next 2 years under its new leadership. The British pound continues its bearish pattern against the US dollar. The UK economy has been downgraded by Fitch credit rating agency after the consensus remains that the country's economy will find it hard to promote strong growth. Weekly option volatilities for the euro-dollar are range-bound at 8.30, reflecting the pair's momentum. Option premiums remain attractive as a result. Now let's take a look at the currencies this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 130.85 with a preference to enter into short positions at 138.50. The dollar-yen pivot points at 99.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 99.40. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 102.75 with a preference to enter into short positions at 102.55. The sterling dollar pivot points at 152.45 with a preference to enter into long positions at 152.45, and the dollar CAD pivot points at 102.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.30. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 87.80 with a preference to enter into short positions at 87.80. The gold pivot points at 1391 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1391. The silver pivot points at 24 with a preference to enter into short positions at 24. The US 500 is at 1530 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1530. And the UK 100 is at 6267 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6267. And of course, more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. At 7:30 GMT in Europe, we have the French flash manufacturing PMI expected at 49. At 8:30 GMT in the UK, we have the public sector net borrowing expected at 14.3 billion. And at 12:30 GMT in Canada, we have the core retail sales month-on-month forecast to rise by 0.5%. And our pair of the day today is the gold dollar. Gold is on a bullish run as it reaches $1,430 per troy ounce. The precious metal saw losses last week amid heavy selling. It has now recovered more than 1/3 of that difference. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Jo from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.